We only have 24 hours in a day, and how we use our time on things that give us meaning will elevate our happiness and fulfillment. Hi, welcome you all back to my channel. Hope everyone had a nice holiday and is ready to make 2023 a breakthrough year. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you will not miss valuable content that I am going to share in 2023. My name is Korianne and I am a real estate investor since 2001. I achieved my financial independence when I was 35 years old, 8 years after I started investing in cash flow real estate. I'm well rested and also have set some new goals that I would like to achieve this year. They are all related to my health, relationship, investments, and meaningful work. I'm excited I will have something purposeful to work on daily. For this channel, I will share high-value content focusing on fundamental personal finance, cash flow real estate investing, and occasionally I will also share some fun travel experience with you about the countries that I have visited to hopefully get you inspired to visit some of the beautiful places on our planet or put them on your bucket list. As for today, I want to share with you how you can start planning for something that is small but achievable for this year and how you can obtain it. One question that many others have asked me often is, how can I build a great life even though I came from a humble background? I wish I can tell you it was an overnight success, but it took me many years. Even now, I'm still working to improve these 4 areas of my life: health, relationship, career, and meaningful work on a daily basis. Stay until the end to find out steps that I can help you to build a life that you love. In the last 30 years, I figured out the 5 simple steps that I have been implementing each year to build the life that I love. And I was able to enjoy the progress to each of these destinations. Some of destinations took many years to get to, and some destinations took less. Before I go into the detail of the 4 steps, I highly recommend everyone to create a 5-year life master plan. Given we just started 2023, so I recommend you to write down what your 5 years life master plan looks like. What do you want to see your life look like 5 years or 10 years from now? About your health, your relationship, your career, and fun and fulfillment. It may take you a few days or even a few weeks to write all this answer down. It does not matter how long it takes to write all this answer down, but it is more important for you to know clearly what you want your life to look like 5 years or 10 years from now. Your 5-year master plan serves 2 main purposes. Number 1 is the plan capture your wish and your goals on where you want to be 5 years from now. And the second one is it allows you to check as to where you are now with respect to your longer term plan. We are a financial channel, so let's get into the 5 detailed steps that you can implement right away to build a great financial future for you and your loved ones. You can use these 5 steps to improve any other area of your life. Step number 1 is you must know what you want. For example, you want to invest in 10 cash flow properties so you can become financial independence in 10 years. Clarity is very, very important. And step number 2 is why do you want it? What are your compelling reasons that you want to be financially free in 10 years? For an example, your reason may be because you want to be home with your kids and to be a contributor to your family finance. Or you want to never be worried about money. or you just want to gain freedom and choices. Step number 3 is, who do you want to become to get there? In other words, what do you need to do to get there? For example, you may decide that you need to learn a new skills or put in daily actions even when things are not going your way, but you are committed to do them. My formal college education was in the engineering field. After I got laid off, I learned to become a mortgage broker and open up my own mortgage company because I wanted to be in control of my financial situations. I then acquired real estate investment skills so I can make smart and informed investment decisions to invest our income to grow and protect it. Step number 4 is make a yearly plan, monthly plan, weekly plan, and daily plan. When you clearly know what you want 5 years or 10 years from now, you can make a 1-year goal plan, monthly goal plan, weekly goal plan, and daily goal plan. The main reason for you to break down your 5 years plan into the smaller bite-sized, readily achievable goals is so that you can realistically achieve each of them in the smallest increment. For example, one specific action daily goal is underwrite 2 to 3 properties. Weekly goal is underwrite 20 properties. Monthly goal is make 3 offers. Half-year goal is invest in 1 cash flow property. And 1-year goal is invest in 2 cash flow properties. Planning is an important process to build a life that you love. It is a roadmap that allows you to see where you are now and where you want to be next on your destinations. You may heard this phrase, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Step number 5 is check on your progress on a regular basis. There will be some setbacks, challenges, and difficulties along your journey. So you should check on your progress to make sure you are on track with your plan. And if there is something that you can do differently to help you reach your outcomes per your goals. I use this 5 steps religiously and even to this days to build a life that I love. I still use them to give me a clear purpose and meaning to the task that I do daily. We only have 24 hours in a day, and how we use our time on things that give us meaning will elevate our happiness and fulfillment. This was the exact steps that I used when I started to build both companies from the ground up. At the same time, I was still a mother of 2 little boys, while maintaining a very healthy lifestyle for my well-being. When you know what you want and why do you want it, you start taking actions to make them happen. Who you become to achieve the outcomes will give you much more meaning because you tap into your unused potential and discover your ability to solve hard problems that you can never imagine was possible. You know that I came from a humble background and implemented these steps in the last 30 years helped me build a life that I love and live it. I also learned that it does not matter what age you are or where you come from. Everyone has the ability to build a life that they love and live it. We just started 2023, and I hope you find these steps helpful and be able to use them to improve your health, relationship, career, and meaningful impact. If you like this content that I put together, then support me by clicking the like and share this video with others so they can benefit from it too. Share with us in the comment below what one thing you want to improve in 2023. Is it your health, relationship with your spouse, a better career, a charity that you want to help out, or something else? Let's learn, invest, and make a huge impact. Ciao!